So hello everybody, you might be wondering why I haven't been hot wiring my lawnmower lately. Because I got a push button start and a kill switch now. So you have the push button start, which when you push it, it goes on the starter motor. Then you have your kill switch, which kills the mower. And boom, that's starting to put on start. And I can tell you how I all wired it up. It's pretty simple actually. So of course I've got the battery down here. The negative is on this side. The negative just goes to the ground, the frame, whatever you want to call it. And then the positive, that one, the positive goes to one side of the solenoid, and the other side of the solenoid, this one, other side, goes to the starter motor. And so what you have to do to be able to push button start it is you take another wire from the positive side, and then you put it up to the button, and then the other side of the button, it doesn't matter which side of the button, it just has to be one on each side, goes to the little connection down there, as you can see. And so that's all it is, because the push button activates the solenoid, which lets current flow through the two big ends. And so that's all done. For the kill switch, so when the engine is running, to make it die and stop running, I've got the kill switch over here, and all it is it goes from in there. It has a wire. It had a weird connection from someone missing it, so I've just taped that up so it doesn't touch the frame or anything. So that's just the magneto, and then that wire goes up to my switch, and then the other side of the switch just goes to ground or frame or whatever you want to call it, earth. And so that's practically all my wiring setup. So put the kill switch to off position, put your earmuffs on just a sec, safety glasses on, and then it might not want to start because it doesn't have choke, but idle. And then it dies when you click that. So I'll see ya. Oh yes, and before I go, I haven't told you about the alternator, because I don't have it connected, but this wire here with that type of connection, this is just on a Bridge & Stratton engine. That wire, if you want to have the alternator to work, just connect that to the positive side of the solenoid, and that'll be all fine, and the alternator would work. The reason why I haven't hooked up my alternator is it's broken and it's grounded. That's why I had to hotwire it. They had cut the keys starting position because it would short the battery and it would be bad for it. So it's just the alternator's grounded online, and so it doesn't work. So that'll be it from me. And I haven't been posting the last couple of weeks. I didn't know what to post, so this is just a rundown on my wiring setup.